Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We have to compare these two surds. We know that we can write this as 15 raised to power 1 by 6 and we can write this as 12 raised to power 1 by 4. So the 15 we have power 1 by 6 and for 12 we have power 1 by 4. Now we have to compare these. For that, first we have to convert this 1 by 6 and 1 by 4 into like fractions. For that, I will find out the LCM of 6 and 4. So LCM of 6 or 4, we know how to find out this. First it will go with 2, this will come 3 and this will come 2. So it means that from here we can see the LCM of 6 and 4 is equal to 2 into 3 which is equal to 6, 6 into 2 which is equal to 12. 12 is the LCM. So in order to convert 1 by 6 and 1 by 4 into like fraction, we will write 1 by 6 and then we'll multiply numerator and denominator of this 1 by 6 with 2. So I will get 2 divided by 12. So similarly with 4, 1 by 4 is equal to, I will multiply both sides with numerator and denominator with 3. So I will get 12. So this will become 3 divided by 12. So next step here is I can write this as 15 raised to power 2 divided by 12. And this I can write like 12 raised to power 3 divided by 12. Write as 15 raised to power 2 into 1 by 12, and this I can write as 12 raised to power 3 into 1 by 12. So I'll take this 2 inside, so it will become 15 raised to power 2 raised to power 1 divided by 12, and this will become 12 raised to power 3 raised to power 1 by 12. So this imply if I multiply 15, we know the 15 square is equal to 225 raised to power, this will become 1 divided by 12, and this will become 1728 raised to power 1 by 12. Now see which number is greater, this one or this one. We know this 1728 is greater than 225. This means that this 1728 raised to power 1 by 12 is greater than 225 raised to power 1 divided by 12. So we know this is equivalent to this. So it means my answer is 12. This is greater than this number, this. So this is my answer. So thank you everyone for watching my video.